model shapes like cubes, spheres, cones, and more to make tricky ideas simple. We'll also use amazing tools like PhET simulations to explore areas of plane shapes such as squares, rectangles, circles, and triangles. These interactive tools will help you see how shapes work and how to calculate their areas in real-world situations. This is a space where you can ask questions, try new things, and learn in a fun way. Are you ready to discover how awesome math can be? Let's get started.
You're welcome to Mathematics Clinic, and if this is your first time of joining us in this math class, this is where you have the opportunity to interact with your Math Clinic teacher. And today we want to look at cuboid. So let's see some of the objects at home that look like cuboid. Let's see objects at home that look like cuboid. Can you tell me some of the objects at home that look like cuboid? Go ahead and tell me the object at home that look like cuboid. Okay, let's see them. The first one is your book, your textbook. Can you see this? It looks like cuboid. What other object at home that look like cuboid? Your television. Can you just go around and look at your television set? Yes, it looks like cuboid. Now, what object at home? Your shoe box. When your mommy bought you a new shoe, that box where you remove the shoe is cuboid. What else again? Your refrigerator. Yes, when you look at your refrigerator, yes, it looks like cuboid. What other things? The brick. When you go around, that brick they use to mold your house. If you see anyone around, it looks like a cuboid. What about your phones? The phone box. Look at this. The phone box, when you remove phone inside, the box, when you close it back, is cuboid. So let's see, those are the objects at home that look like cuboid. I'm going to show you my own cuboid. Look at this one again. This is a cuboid. Look at this. A cuboid as well. Let's see another one. A cuboid. Now, can we now look at the properties of cuboid now? What are the properties of cuboid? What are the properties of cuboid? We quickly look at three properties of cuboid: the face, the head, and the vertex. A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. And let's count. This is a cuboid, for instance. Or can I use my textbook? Let me use my textbook to show you. I'm sure you have textbook at home as well. A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. Let's use this textbook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So with my book, so it shows a cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. Let me show it on the shape that I have. Another object. Don't forget, a cuboid is a 3-dimensional shape. It has the length, the breadth, and the what? And the height. So when it is time, we'll get into that and look at total surface areas of a what? Of a cuboid. So let's come back to the property that we say that says it has 6 rectangular faces. Let's count it on this object. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. Okay, let's move on to edge. Don't forget, in our past video where we look at cuboid, we've defined it. If you are joining us for the first time, you can go back to the video and check videos on cuboid. Edge. An edge is a place where 2 faces meet. For instance, this is a face here. This is also another face. Where they meet here is where we call the edge. So let's count the numbers of edges on a cuboid now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and what? And 12. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and what? And 12. Can we count again? or take object at home and look at the edges. That is where two faces meet. That is where we call an edge. And a cuboid has 12 edges. Now let's look at vertex. Like I said, vertex, the plural vertex. The plural of vertex is this. So, but this is singular. This is vertex. A vertex is a corner or a place where two or more edges meet. This is an edge. This is also another edge. This is also another edge. Where they meet here is where we call the vertex. We call it vertex. That's the what? That's the corner here. Where two or more edges meet is where we call vertex. So can we count the numbers of vertex on a cuboid? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it means a cuboid has 8 vertices. A cuboid has 8 vertices. Can we check on our textbook? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So a cuboid has 8 vertices. And of course, this is a rough sketch of a cuboid. And in our next video, we are going to look at how we can draw a very neat cuboid if our teacher asks us to draw a cuboid. And after this, we'll move into calculating the total surface area of all these shapes. If you are joining us for the first time, this is Mathematics Clinic, and this is your Mathematics Clinic teacher, where you can interact with your Maths Clinic teacher, ask questions, go under the comment section, ask whatever question you want to ask about this video, and you get a response immediately. If you are joining for the first time, try and like this video, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel to get notification anytime we have another video on Mathematics Clinic. See you next time.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Mathematics Clinic, where learning math is fun, exciting, and easy to understand. Here we'll explore lots of cool math topics, especially geometry, which is about studying shapes, sizes, and spaces.